Hey, it's Mark. Let's talk about conflicts of interest. Do you have one? First, what in heck does conflict of interest mean? I think for the most part, conflict of interest is a term similar in a sense to greed and fair share, which, by the way, are two sides of the same coin. They're simply terms that are lobbied at someone in order to attempt to gain an upper hand over them. Look, life is filled with conflicts of interest. My interests are different than yours, your interests are different than mine, and both of our interests are different from a third person's. So we all have conflicts of interest, and that doesn't make it bad. It only makes it a fact that they exist. On the other hand, I'm seeing more and more hospitals imposing conflict of interest policies, again, whatever that means, on members of the hospital's medical staff. What are those provisions? Are they simply a disguised form of covenant not to compete, which may or likely may not be legal? Two, are they restrictions on referrals outside of the hospital sphere in violation of a number of federal laws? Are they, in essence, backhanded ways of requiring physicians to refer to the hospital, creating potentially both federal anti-kickback statute, state law violations, and, depending on other terms involved, violations of Stark? I don't know exactly what a conflict of interest is, but beware if you've agreed not to have them.